Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a mobile phone. First, ensure your printer has wireless capabilities or a direct connection option. Next, download the specific printer manufacturer's application from your phone's app store. Finally, power on both your printer and your mobile phone, making sure they are ready for connection. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth printing experience. For wireless printing, the most common method is connecting both your phone and printer to the same Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, many modern printers offer Wi-Fi Direct, which establishes a direct connection without needing a router. Some smaller, portable printers also support Bluetooth, allowing for a quick, short-range pairing, usually within 10 meters. Choose the method best suited for your printer and phone. If wireless isn't an option, a direct connection is possible using a USB OTG adapter. Simply plug the adapter into your phone, then connect your printer's USB cable to the adapter. Once connected, open the document or photo you want to print on your phone. Then, navigate to the Share or Menu options and select the Print command, choosing your connected printer. If you encounter issues, first ensure your phone and printer are within a reasonable range, ideally less than 10 meters for stable connection. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Regularly updating your printer's firmware and the mobile printing application is also vital. These updates often include bug fixes and improved compatibility, ensuring a reliable printing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.